Hey, it's me, Leah, and we have here today an NFC adhesive smart tags. So these are pretty cool. It's literally those tap and share information tags, and you can literally put them anywhere. So if you want to tap and share your business, your website, like your business card, these things are really tiny too, like not even the size of a quarter. They can stick on anything. So I went ahead and downloaded an app to program one of these little tap cards. So I ripped one off. I'm just going to lay it right here. And we're going to write it. We're going to add a record. I'm going to copy and paste it. Now we're going to write it to the it takes you to my Amazon storefront. It's super easy. There it is. You just clear it. Yes, we're clearing it. So now you can see that there's nothing on that tag, right? So I'm going to rewrite it. For example, we're going to add my social media. Facebook. So in here, I've put my social network. And we're going to hit write it, hold it. It programmed it. And there we go. So there's a bunch of different apps you can use, and you can program these any way you like. There's 50 of them. So you can put your business card information. You could put your social media network information. Again, it's super easy. It gives you so many options. We're going to write it, scan it, scanned, read it, open it, and it's just that simple. And it literally is that simple. And I've been using there's 50 of them, and I've rewritten and wrote on this one numerous times. So highly versatile. You get 50 of these. Great if you're wanting to share information, like maybe you create your own like little business card and you just want to tap it and share your personal information or your business information. This was gifted to me free for review and super easy to use. I was able to write it and rewrite it just the one numerous times. I highly recommend this.